Chop, chop, chop.
When you hear the voice, voice,
What?
it's Bobosian, baby. That's so,
Hey.
Okay, the three men are inside the bar.
Hey.
That show where they make sure say we come sit down on top. I call it a vavavoom show. You need to know what that word is. Vavavoom. It is something very, very powerful. It's voomshous. So we are inside the bar tonight on top your trivia. TV screen. Your TV screen.
Treaty.
It's allowed. When you are trying to
Treaty.
when you have too much alcohol in your system.
Wow.
Sometimes
I always tell you this thing.
You know.
We are not on top their TV. You and the band is the same thing. We are inside their TV.
screen.
Yeah.
You cannot be on top of the wall.
But television language is on
understand?
top of your TV screen.
No, it's wrong.
It's inside your
The problem you have is that you are
Inside
very
the
used
TV.
to being on top of woman.
No, you are the one now. You are the one that is used to
I
being
am
on top.
using the word
If you are
that
using
you
the word, you
use.
are on top of their TV.
Yeah.
Like your uncle the band says, I'm on top of the world in front of the crowd. You're on top of them and you are still in front of them. Whether it's your ghost that is in front of them and then you're on top. So choose your way.
Oh, now don't start again with this
like
argument.
Be on top of
Who
them.
is on top?
Be
Who is
inside of
inside?
them. Anywhere you be.
Oh.
Okay, but what do you
Tell
prefer?
me.
On top or
Man,
Shakara, we
let's
know
do-
you prefer inside.
what do you prefer? On
Anything
top
you
or
prefer,
under?
Where you like to?
Me? I can be anywhere.
Well, Sakara say you can be anywhere right now. You don't have to be anywhere. The only place where you're supposed to be right now, now to sit down in front of your television screen,
Not
with
on
that
top of your
even-
TV.
with your baby, and be learning what we have to say this night. This and that's what they call Bobosian,
Bobosian.
saving relationships since 2014. You have seen MC Shakara, the peace ambassador. He's in the building.
Yes,
He's
I'm
trying
in
to
the
look
building.
all cool, calm, and calculated.
And I am not on top of your TV screen.
But you are inside.
I'm inside
He
the
likes
TV.
to be inside. There's
Yeah.
somebody that
If
I
you want
know.
to see me, you come inside.
Yes. If you want to always see him, he likes to be inside. He's the man that is the inserting master. He must insert. He must be in. Everything in. I like you,
Are you used to coming inside?
obviously. Shakara cannot come outside now.
Edeo.
Sorry.
You see, Edewa has known already.
It was just a
Edewa
random
has-
question.
Well, Edewa is here.
Edewa,
Edewa is the one that
Edewa.
just asked him if he.
Yeah,
so please,
Edewa.
Edewa, welcome to the show.
All right.
Answer him. Do you like to come inside?
Shakara, do you want to answer my
That's
question?
why they pursue you for things. When you ask unnecessary questions without respect.
No, because
Without respect.
see, Showman the dog say you like to be in, not on.
Yes.
So I wanted to be clear.
Meanwhile, for another day, in case they ask us,
Uh-huh.
why did you leave things?
Okay. My name is Showman. Ladies call me Show Baby. I am the sexy love doctor inside We Bar tonight. And we don't get much to say one waste of time. If I leave these 2 men right now, they will keep telling us their expository parts. And very soon we'll see them. We only see their boxers. So we don't need to carry them go that far. But in case you just enjoyed us, this show, they always come your TV screen every night. And you can always join and say something, like us, like the Facebook, like the Twitter, Instagram, everything. We will be there to answer you. Tonight, we have something very, very, very extraordinary. It is extraordinary because I know one man inside this bar will form his saint as if he doesn't do what I'm about to say. Well, whoever this person is, to whom it may concern,
yeah, exactly.
you shall know.
When
very
you
exactly.
never even hear from anybody and you are passing judgment,
Ah, you see? Did I say anything now?
that means you have a very wrong conscience
Why they want no talk?
that is gripping.
Why they want no talk?
you know,
As a fresh graduate, might not want to talk immediately back at you.
Okay.
You understand?
So for you that you're
These
feeling
are
guilty.
people. These are people who are very conscious of the society because the society is going
How?
what they don't know. So when they want to talk,
The society is going
yes,
what they
yes,
don't know.
now.
What do you
Yes,
want to know?
now.
I want to know the angle is
You
into with
understand?
this.
Yes, you understand?
Oh, yeah.
So if I don't react immediately, me, I don't see things.
You don't already know where I was.
Yeah.
So you don't know
I-
that you
I-
are the talk about.
I was around when Naira was 75 Naira equals.
No, you were around when
equivalent
Buhari was president before, and now you are still around.
No,
when
You are
no,
still
no,
around
no,
with the
I'm not around
president
there.
now.
You're not around there.
No, I was around. I was very small. I was a very
Are you
small.
sure you are very
Buhari
small?
when Buhari was
I was-
president
I was
first,
a very
you
small
were
boy.
around.
You
He's still
understand?
president. That is
Yes,
very good
yes,
for
yes.
you. So
No,
please,
Showman.
don't disturb us
Showman,
again.
were you not around
Then-
when Buhari was president before?
So I our topic for
No,
today.
show us that. Can you see? We don't know about the people they phone young boy. We don't know that it's small.
So
you were
like
around
we're
when
saying,
Buhari was
for those that were
president.
born in the era when Buhari was president first,
When there was
Estate
austerity,
Shakara.
and now austerity is coming back. Austerity major.
Which
Please.
kind of austerity we are suffering in this country? On Friday, you will hear what I want to say about this country. I don't want to talk much. Well, our Freestyle Friday, I am very angry with NEPA. I'm angry with the country. Angry
You have
with...
always been
You
angry
say you
with
talk
Nepa.
about it on Friday, and you're talking about it already.
Please, maybe I'll ask you on Friday.
You say Friday.
The reason why you are always angry with NEPA, are you one of those people that do illegal connection?
I can't allow this guy to go ahead. I have to bring a topic we will concern him this night and make him keep quiet and know that you will need light if this topic must really, really shine. Is it okay? Make your partner the masturbate. MC Shakara, over to you.
Okay. Actually.
Is he the masturbator?
Yes,
No.
It don't help you.
No.
I know. You know,
He's
I
trying
think
to
the
help
thing
you.
say, you know, before the judge Edewo by it's like maybe the youngest in the bar.
Yeah.
You know, go to the. But you know, this boy is spoiled. I'm telling you something.
No, Shakara.
This boy, the other day, he didn't come to this bar.
You are aware.
Showman told me, Showman,
Yeah.
yeah, this boy didn't come to this bar.
Yeah.
Where you see him?
Edewo, I am tired of his
I am
condition.
aware.
The truth is that
Shakara.
even for your housewarming,
Eh.
when we first call your housewarming,
It's not house for me, please.
Yeah.
I didn't build the house. don't make my landlords go through the house.
But
At least you warm your house.
Even your other neighbors, they hear the noise.
They hear the
They
warming.
fire everything.
It's only,
Was that not warming?
It's only necessary to warm your own soup.
It's
So
only,
if you warm your neighbor's
it's
soup,
only Shakara that I know we do housewarming. The people will come drink from downstairs high. You had a spare room for people to go and have free sex.
Wait.
Are you there?
I didn't know about that spare room. I don't know about that spare room, Shakara.
Edewo did.
Shakara, I don't know about that spare room.
Edewo came without a package. Yeah, when they say if you no carry come,
actually, he told me he was coming with.
he came with Kabuchi and which other person did he come with? Anagbolo came later. But I noticed that these two, before I never see them, they make moves on girls, you understand? So, but it was good to want to watch.
No.
I can understand about Kabuchi.
No,
also.
Edewo and Kabuchi, they are deadly duo.
Wow.
I tell you, they are.
These two, you know what I respect them? These are sharp men. They don't use the girls fool that place. But their eye in that darkness located the one with you just two. When they two alone. They come and those two girls.
Those two very slim girls like that.
You remember if you saw them. Those two girls now, some guys already they go. I won't feel say those guys been there with them. These men only observe. Say this men they don't come with these guys. They just come to. Before I blink my eyes, these two people don't go. Position one day here, one day here. The girls just they center. Bam. Now so G start to. What are you drinking? As if the
Wait,
the
masturbation we dey talk about.
the party where we come after we go down that club. When we go the club,
Why?
the girls were with them.
Why am I?
When we dey leave the club,
topic
the girls went
of discussion tonight. Not be masturbation we dey talk about.
So for I don't understand.
I'm only expressing my disappointment because when I signed you to because you know when they say pikin wey wash hand clean full head as chop.
Yes.
So as to come and let's be drinking in this bar. You know I look at him like very innocent.
You are a big liar. How can you go side player where no fit play?
No, what I'm saying is that
You are a big
what
liar.
I'm saying is
Is
that
the best issue? Will you sign the player? Nobody has decided on the Ramsey and the rest.
I signed him because I believe he must have come across this thing
No.
and the line of study.
Excuse okay.
You understand?
Okay, so now you feel it. Okay, so all the way where the Ozzy they play, now study, no be talent. These are men that are talented.
So,
these are sex experts.
Talking about
everything.
someone who has seen
that
things.
you have used your hand
You have
to do very
seen
well.
things, Shakara.
Is it
Don't say-
okay?
Wait, I want to ask Shakara something. Shakara,
So you that have explored recently,
You who have seen
tell
things.
us about masturbation. Edewo.
Wait till make you feel say I dey explore recently.
You were
Shakara, you that have seen things. What do you think about? Why do you think masturbation should be done in the first place?
Thank you.
As a person, you've seen things.
Number one.
You have seen things.
You have seen
Number
things.
one to start with,
Is it okay, maybe?
masturbation should not be done.
By man or woman.
Maybe both parties.
Nobody
because
should do it.
Nobody should do
to say
masturbation.
the truth, to say the truth, let me make a confession. Now. There was a day I told you guys a story here in this bar
you're masturbating?
about a guy
was
when we
masturbating.
were in secondary school. You know, that they caught touching himself in JS3.
Yeah, that was
and he was embarrassed and he was disgraced. And since that day, the guy, you know, all those kinds of things, you know, he was my friend. So maybe
and birds of the same feather.
Feather flock
together. So you used to masturbate.
That's like this is a true confession. That's like 25 years ago.
And that time, you guys were not plenty.
Do you understand?
But now you
and because of that incident, and that was like maybe first or second time. Like, you know, we're just, you know, when boys, something just begin shock on her, and then you understand? And because of, if you see the level of embarrassment, I just cross my mind like this, and anytime we be say maybe loneliness, hand warm, my mistake go there, that incident will just come like picture.
But the person will go see you now, they masturbate, no go embarrass. You can't be embarrassed.
No. I can't even masturbate at this time at this time and age.
Someone like you cannot masturbate. With all the girls around, with all the numerous girls.
No matter
all the numerous girls.
Right now, we have to masturbate this break. Right now.
Why can you masturbate break?
What are you telling me? We have to masturbate this break right now. When we come back from the streets, we have our men that will be saying something inside this bar. Don't go anywhere. This is now what they call agogo for streets.
Agogo.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.